listeners. How are you today? Welcome to Wave Talks. This podcast by Wave Electronics, where we deep dive into the technology and trends of custom integrators and automation industry. And I am joined by Obe Urdiales. Obe, why don't you tell us a little bit about your business?
My business is just like anybody else here at Wave. We're integrators that do a little bit of everything. Jacks of all trades, as better said. We do TV installs, stereos, audio, home automation, a little bit of all the good stuff that Wave really helps us do. Without Wave in our corner, I really don't know where my company would be 25 years in. They've always been here to help us with technology, learning, classes, and a lot of CEU credits, which really keeps us going in this industry, as a lot of you guys know. So we greatly appreciate everything that Wave does for us. Their lineup and product is amazing. Attention to detail that they give us is really grateful. So we really appreciate Wave being here and helping us in the growth of our company, and hopefully another 20 years.
That sounds great, Obe. I know you mentioned one time you also love the fact that we have, our tech support.
Tech support is very helpful. Being a small company, a small business owner, we do have employees, but we don't know everything. We have to act like we know everything in front of our customers. But the good thing is that we do have a very good tech support in our back pocket. And I tell you what, if you ever get stumped or if there's something wrong, these guys can really help you out. I know Chris has always come out and helped me on job sites, 1 or 2, 3 different days. So we really greatly appreciate the tech support and the knowledge that Wave has passed on to us.
We appreciate you, Obe. I mean, there's not a day that I know that for a fact we're going to see Obe, or of course we see your son Esteban, right?
Yep.
Your team is always here pretty much on a daily basis, picking up, everything that we sell pretty much. And I know you mentioned also before that even if we had jobs out of town or even out of state, that you can always rely on us because, we make sure we get it there for you, right?
Definitely. We've had jobs in town, out of state. We just make a phone call to the front line, and the guys always take care of us. If there's something that we need, we pick it up locally, or if we're on another job somewhere else, the guys always drop ship to us. So we greatly appreciate that. Sometimes, the guys are tired and everything. Stuff gets a little crazy, but we can always count on Wave to get us the product and the equipment that we need to, make our customers happy. Making our customers happy is really good to us because, without our customers, we wouldn't be around. So we greatly appreciate Wave being here for us. I know a lot of times we have projects that are just astronomically insane to get back to San Antonio. And the good thing is that some of our jobs are out of town. We have Dallas, Houston. We even have some jobs outside of Texas. And the good thing about that is that, we can do a phone call as long as we get it by 3 o'clock, which is our deadline.
As
long as we get in by 3 o'clock, we'll definitely get our product the next day. The guys in the shipping in the back, they just do an awesome job. If I need a product, I know if I call by 3 o'clock, the guys in the back will have it packed and on the UPS truck or the FedEx truck that same day, and I'm guaranteed that I will have my product the very next day. So we really appreciate all of Wave, not just the front line, but the back line, the tech support, and everybody that comes together to make it, a big family, because we've been with Wave more than 20 years, and that's really what this place is. It's our family away from home, and, we really appreciate you guys.
Obe, you get me teary-eyed, man. Because, we love you guys, and, you and your wife, Liz, and, of course, your son. I've seen you guys, the past, I'm going on 10 years.
Yeah.
For me, I've been here with Wave 10 years. So it's a moving thing because, it's based on relationships for us.
For sure.
And we can't thank you enough. And we can also tell you, I can also say that we always know that Obe's going to bring us tacos pretty much on a weekly basis, and that's just out of love. in Spanish is, cariño, right? Because he really loves us and we love him, and we're going to go out of our way to make sure that they're always taken care of.
We really appreciate everything that Wave's done for us. We've had, CEDIA parties. We've had car parties. We've had barbecue parties. We've had all kinds of things going on here at Wave. And like I said, Wave is our extended family.
So, Obe, thanks again for joining us today. Listeners, if you have some special topics, we'd love to hear from you. Send us an email at wavetalks@waveinc.net. Thanks again for listening.
Thank you for letting me be part of Wave Talks. Hopefully we'll do some more podcasts and bring them your way. Like Robert said, any questions, we're always here to help.
Paintball. Remember the paintball?
Paintball was painful, but it was fun.